Hi everyone, my name is Michelle and I'm from Amber Concept. Today we're going to go over a tutorial on how to access Amber Concept's exclusive secret sale for Ips Mastermind. Now what you're going to do is you need to set up an account with Amber Concept. So you'll need to go to amberconcept.com and register for an account. So what you'll do is go to account, sign in, or register. Go ahead and create an account. Once you've created an account and we've approved you, you're able to sign in. Now I'm just going to sign in right now. And what you'll need to do is have this secret link. So once you have a secret link, you need to sign in into your account, and then with the secret link, go to your browser and paste it. So once you paste it, click enter. Once you've reached this page, you're going to go and select your details of what you'd like to order. Now, for binding, you can either select an album here or an art book. Our albums are thicker pages, lay flat, flush mounts. Our art books are thinner pages, magazine style. Albums start with 10 spreads, max out at 40. Art books start with 15 spread, max out at 45 spreads. For the sake of this, let's select an album. Sizes, you can select a 12 by 8 landscape, 8 by 12 portrait, or 10 by 10. Let's select a 10 by 10. For our cover materials, you have the choice of selecting all of ours. So our deluxe series right here is our leatherettes or vegan leather. Natural series are our finer linens. Woven series is another linen as well, but this is a thicker linen. And coral series is one of our most popular series. This one is also linen as well, but it looks a little bit wavy, and these are down here. So I really like our coral series, and I'm going to select denim. And our paper choices are right here. So there are two types of paper that we offer. It's a fine art matte and a fine art pearl. The fine art matte is more true to color to any of our printing, and it's the most popular selection. Our pearl paper is a little bit warmer in tone, and it's a little bit iridescent. So if you're okay with the printing to turn out a little bit more warm, then you would select pearl. But I would recommend for your first album to select a fine art paper. If you need to add additional spreads, these are the prices for additional spreads for your art book. And if you need to add additional spreads for an album, these are additional spreads. So I think I'm going to need 8 extra spreads. Personalization. There are several different personalization that we offer. We offer a foil stamp, a blind deboss, and letterpress. So foil stamp is any design of your choice in a 3" by 3" area in gold, silver, black, or clear, which is blind deboss. We also offer letterpress as well. We have three different types of fonts: monotype cursiva, Times New Roman, and Katami, and these are in gold, silver, and black. So I usually like to add some foil stamp, so I'm going to add gold here. Logo position, please select where you'd like to have it placed. If you'd like to add a matching box, we are offering our Luxe presentation box, which is a clamshell box. Normally it costs $60, $70, and $90 depending on the size of the album or art book that you're ordering, but this is discounted to $30. What's actually really nice too is if you want to personalize your box, you can also add foil stamp or letterpress and have it match between your box and your album, or maybe not. And then text on lining, this is actually the first page when you open the book, and it's going to be on the right hand lining side. This is a 30 character complimentary 30 character complimentary type in just the font Avenir. And so let's just say I'm going to add my bride and groom's name. So let's do Jessica and Jason. Perfect. If there are any other comments that you like to leave in here, you can go ahead and do so. And then you go ahead and select upload images. And perfect, it's going to go ahead and go to a pop-up. Pretend I select the images, or actually find your images, and go ahead and once you see them all here, press complete. Once they're all there, you're going to collect update shopping cart. So once you've actually selected all your albums and art books that you'd like to go ahead and purchase, I've just actually re-edited this album just to show that the bare minimum that you need to purchase is only $39.99. Shipping and handling is $30 per order. And so whenever you go ahead and proceed to checkout, you'll add that shipping and handling on. If you have any questions about Amber Concepts' exclusive secret sale for Ips Mastermind, you can contact us here under contacts and send us a message through here, or you can go ahead and email us at cs@amberconcept.com and we will return your message as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and we hope you enjoy your albums.